He came around to the booth and he grabbed him. First he tried to grab the...
Why are you putting your hands on this gentleman here? What happened between you and him?
I got no clue.
Yeah?
I swear to God, I got no clue.
A public intoxication call at one of the busiest airports in the United States. No weapons, no prior escalation on record, yet within 12 minutes, one man accumulated felony exposure carrying up to 6 years.
180 yeah, background.
This guy, safe there?
Yes.
He just, I stay inside. He suddenly take my this one, want to take, then hold me. Then I just go to the booth. He follow me and hit our computer here.
Okay.
Then we two people here.
Okay.
Just sit down there.
Okay.
Maybe.
Is this damaged?
Hola.
Telecom 173,
Hola.
174, 1065.
Hola, ¿español? Sí. Jefe, estoy aquí porque al parecer le agrediste a alguien.
¿Ah?
Estoy aquí porque al parecer le agrediste a alguien. ¿No? ¿Qué sucede, jefe?
No.
¿No sabes lo que sucedió?
No.
¿Quieres ir preso? ¿No? ¿Tienes algún tipo de licencia, jefe?
¿Sí?
¿Me la das?
Unit 76 with the caller doors, set the taking counter concern about the juvenile.
¿No la tienes físicamente contigo, la licencia? Identificación, licencia, seguro social, número, etcétera. Muchas gracias. ¿De dónde eres, jefe? Ah, de Nueva York.
Sí.
¿Cuánto tiempo llevas viviendo ahí arriba?
¿Ah?
¿Cuánto tiempo llevas viviendo ahí arriba?
Toda mi vida.
¿Toda tu vida?
Sí, aquí,
Okay.
sí.
¿Qué sucedió ahí?
No sé.
¿No sabes lo que sucedió? ¿Estás seguro?
Ni una puta idea qué pasó ahí.
¿No tienes ni puta idea de qué sucedió ahí?
No.
¿No? Ok, pues dale, dame un segundito, quédate aquí con estos dos oficiales.
Dale,
Ven enseguida.
quédate.
Pero si me entero que le diste a alguien, vas preso, ¿viste? ¿Hacia dónde vas a viajar? ¿Hacia dónde vas a viajar?
Bueno, ahorita voy a Santa Thailand.
Préstame tu boleto. ¿Tienes tu boleto físicamente?
Como mi boleto.
Para montarte en el avión.
No. No.
¿No? ¿No lo tienes?
No sé.
Ok, pues dale, dame un segundito, vengo ahora. Está bien, quédate con estos oficiales. Dale. Hey, how's it going, sir?
Good to see you. Yes,
You
sir.
good? Good seeing you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's going on?
So, we just got here maybe 4 or 5 minutes ago. Jerry's one of my ambassadors.
Okay.
He sent the message out that this gentleman, or this guy, had assaulted him. He said he came around, he was keeping an eye on him. He came around to the booth and he grabbed him. First he tried to grab the tablets we use for communication. And then he sort of like tried to pin him against the booth, seemingly.
Where was he at? All right, position yourself exactly how, like, were you here? Were you?
The first time I saw him over there.
Okay.
Then he just see me. Then he try to take this one.
And where were you at?
Over there.
Over there, okay.
Yeah. He take this away, so I hold this. Then he hold me.
Okay.
He never let me leave.
He's holding you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Totally. Then I just try to came to here.
Okay.
Then he follow us here. Then hit our computer.
Okay. And what do you think he was doing when he was was he trying not to fall or what?
I believe he drunk or
He's drunk?
He used drug or something.
Okay.
Lose.
Maybe he's trying not to
Control.
fall or something.
Yeah. No reason. He just see me.
Yeah. I can smell it. I can smell it.
No reason. Just no reason.
I got you.
He came and hit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe, and more than likely,
Yeah.
since he's so drunk,
Yeah.
he probably was trying like to hang on to you.
Yeah.
And then what happened here with the screen and stuff?
He just push this down.
He tried to push it down.
Yeah,
like,
we have another lady sit down here.
Right.
So I try to came to her.
Okay.
And he followed me.
Okay.
He just followed me to here.
Okay. Cool. Gotcha.
here.
Alright then.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna escort him out
Yeah.
of this side.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's supposed to fly or not.
Yeah.
That's out the window.
Yeah.
He's not gonna be able to fly.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get him out. Okay.
Okay. No problem. We are okay. We are no problem.
Awesome. I appreciate it. Nice to meet you.
No
Nice to meet you.
problem.
Yes, sir. And are you okay? Are you good? Were you here?
How'd you get here?
You weren't here?
No.
Okay, cool. Gotcha. All right, then. Give me 1 second, okay? And I'll be right back.
So what's your deal, man?
The Class
Why are you
C
putting your hands on this
operator
gentleman here?
status is
What
valid.
happened between you and him?
I got no clue.
Yeah.
I swear to God, I got no clue. What happened?
Where were you drinking? Where? Adonde?
Jameson. Yeah.
You had Jameson here?
No.
Yeah, you didn't get here that drunk.
No. I'm sorry.
Yep. Sorry's not gonna cut it at this point.
I know.
So if you don't know, then we gotta go with whatever he said. You understand that? What's your name?
2022 Dodge Ram pickup, silver in color.
Caesar.
Yeah.
Cesar.
Out of
So
Orlando.
what happened between you and this gentleman?
2025.
If you can't tell me what happened and you were involved, I just gotta take his word for it. Hey. Pick your head up. You.
Who's the other gentleman?
The guy in the green shirt over there. The Asian gentleman.
I don't know. I haven't seen him yet, so I don't know.
You did what?
I don't know the guy.
You can put your phone away.
My fault.
Yeah, you can put it in your pocket.
Officer 995, 41 or 97 more. 10 more tickets, 242. Just confirming you were asking about
And the guy
not the X-ray.
was talking to me.
Oh, he was talking to you. And then what?
What's my name? What's my name? What year is right now? Tell me what year is right now.
You're asking me to tell you what year it is?
Yes.
It's 2024.
2024 what?
What?
No. Tell me. Who's the president right now?
Wait, I'm not the one that needs to be checked. You
Who's
tell
the
me.
president right now?
You tell me who's the president right now.
No, you tell me who's the president.
Are you checking my
You
mental
are-
stability right now?
You are.
You gonna? Well.
Shut the
Hey,
up, fuck.
relax.
Hey,
Relax.
escúchame.
Relax.
No.
Relax.
No.
Relax.
No.
Turn around and put your hands on your back now.
No.
Yep. Need cuffs?
Yeah, I know.
Stop struggling.
No.
Grab his ball.
Really?
Yeah, you're not gonna hit me. You're not gonna push me like that. So it's done and over. Done and over with. We're gonna go. Well, I was trying to talk to him. He got up and he pushed me. I'm gonna duck this and then for an hour.
Yeah, he was fine.
He talks.
He just got out of this snap.
Yeah,
No, get the fuck.
What's the victim
It wasn't just 22. He still signaled too that he was trying not to fall, like he held on to them. But then he began with this disorderly intox and all that stuff. Yep.
So what's going on? What the is going on?
You pushed in officers. I think you had too much to drink, my friend.
I'll get it down here.
Okay.
What?
Or search. We just want to get him off the floor and get out of there.
How does a misdemeanor become a felony before handcuffs are fully applied? The answer reveals a legal chain that almost no one sees coming until it is too late. 3 statutes, 3 constitutional principles, 1 escalating encounter. This is how Florida law responds when someone crosses each threshold without understanding what that threshold means. Florida Statute 784.03, battery. A person commits battery when they actually and intentionally touch or strike another person against that person's will. No physical injury is required. Contact alone satisfies every element. Fourth Amendment, probable cause standard. 3 independent grounds existed simultaneously before any arrest decision. First, a first-hand eyewitness account from the victim. Second, direct officer observation of severe intoxication. Third, the subject's own voluntary admission of alcohol consumption. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1968, reasonable articulable suspicion is legally sufficient for an investigative detention. What officers possessed here exceeded that threshold by a significant margin. Arrest authority was constitutionally grounded from the first moment of contact. Florida Statute 856.011, disorderly intoxication. A person who is intoxicated in a public place in a manner that endangers the safety of another person or causes a public disturbance commits a second-degree misdemeanors. Penalty up to 60 days and $500. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318, 2001. The United States Supreme Court confirmed that a full custodial arrest for even a minor criminal offense does not violate the Fourth Amendment when probable cause has been legally established. Florida Rules of Evidence 90.803, voluntary admissions. The subject's statement confirming alcohol consumption was made before any formal custodial arrest. Miranda protections do not attach until custody is legally established. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, 1987. The Supreme Court recognized that verbal profanity directed at law enforcement may constitute protected speech under the First Amendment. That protection terminates the moment speech converts to physical conduct. Florida Statute 784.07 to B battery on law enforcement officer. Intentional physical contact with an officer lawfully performing official duties reclassifies the offense from a misdemeanor to a third-degree felony. Penalty up to 5 years imprisonment and $5,000. This is the threshold that changed everything in this precinct. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Use of force standard force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene. 3 controlling factors: severity of the offense, immediate threat to safety, and active resistance. All 3 were legally present at the moment of arrest. Florida Statute 843.02, resisting officer without violence, obstructing an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty without offering physical violence is a first-degree misdemeanor. Penalty up to 1 year. This count was added during the handcuffing sequence. 3 charges, 3 separate criminal counts: battery on law enforcement officer, felony, 3rd degree up to 5 years, disorderly intoxication misdemeanor, 2nd degree up to 60 days, resisting without violence misdemeanor, 1st degree up to 1 year. Core legal lesson: the felony charge did not arise from the original conduct that triggered the call. It arose from a single moment of physical contact with the officer. Every decision made after police arrived created a new and independent criminal count. Knowing where each legal threshold begins is what determines the outcome. But the legal analysis does not end here. Does severe intoxication negate the intent element required for felony battery? If the physical contact was reflexive rather than deliberate, can a 3rd-degree felony charge survive a motion to dismiss under Florida law? The defense raised exactly this argument in court, and the outcome challenged assumptions about this entire encounter. What happened next is not what most people expect.